মাছটা খাওয়ান দিবে ওরে what a topic. Hello. Assalamu alaikum, my dear audience and my friends, and how are you all? So I hope all are fit and fantastic. So right now I'm along with, do you know this? This is the Palaj. So he's also my cousin Suleiman. People call that he's a Bacha, but he's not a Bacha. He's other poorest peoples in my country. So that is why I want to show. This is the cage of food. This is the food of fish. That's why I want to show a little bit. This is he will throw this for the fishing for the fish. So there are fungus fish. The people call this the fungus fish. I don't know what is the meaning of fungus, but are you looking the view of this scenario? Just he fought, just he throwed. That is why just I'm thinking, and just I will see and how much time will take to come all our fishes. So if you're watching, so he is falling and he's throwing right now. So now I'm waiting for the fishes. I'm waiting for the fishes. That's why I'm here. So are you looking the view of this scenario? This is a food of fishes. That's why I'm here. Go to jump. Just go to them. You are very weak person. Go to jump into the pond because you are really weak. You don't do this. So fishes are here, but there is a person along with me. So people call Bacha, but he's really thin. And as well as I wanna show him because when he throwing the food of jog, that times wasn't good because he was falling like that is on the pond. He's falling like this. So that's why he's falling. He's throwing right now. The fishes is incredible scene. For the noon is really incredible scene. Looking is there is a problem is happening. There is a problem is happening here in this place because for some medicine effects. Every fishes are dating every day. So thousands of fishes already dead. So that is why I'm here. But this is a healthy fishes are here. They are eating. They are having food right now from this, and also every day he's giving food for them because this is a very big business. Fish business is really big business in our country. Nowadays there are so many people are making fishery for making business like this, not only for the pond, not only for using for fishes cultivating, but also uses for the poultry farm. Above the pond they make up the poultry farm, and then they make a big business. It's not only if you have a money, you can make business anything from yourself because it depends on self. Whenever you will earn more money, and you'll get better, and you'll get more and thousand lakh crore money, and you'll get a hundreds of way to invest your money like business, fish business, poultry business, others like blah blah blah. You can see that. So that's why I will say I have also future goals. I will make a business like this. So that is why I just see whenever I look this, and there is only one key, and I will show, and I will say for you because this is spender. This is spent by the owner of this fishery is 22 lakhs or others like this, maybe 22 lakhs money. So they spend for this buying this place. This is a really big acre of place. And as well as I can show a single moment. One day I will show the view of this scenario, and this is a really big fishery. So that is why for the 10 years, for the 12 years, I don't know what specific time he purchased this he purchased this fishery for the 10 years, at least minimum 22 lakhs he spent that for this fishery. So if you're watching this video another day, I will show the fishery, full background of fishery. So I hope you will enjoy. If you're watching this video from YouTube, from Facebook, you can mention, you can follow me, because another fishery, this is a part of another part of fishery. Are you looking this? This is another part of fishery. I'm here, so I'm also showing. This is the big fish of Pangas. This is the big fish. This is the fish. That was the small fishes. Pangas. Those are just growing now, right now. But it is already good. So after a couple of months later, it will sell. Because looking the view of this scenario, this is there are big fishes. Fishery. This is a part of fishery, big fishes fishery. So if you're watching, this is a known. Every single day they spend 1,000, 3,000 and 4,000 money for per day invest food for fishes. So that's why I'm very curious to know and how invest, how money they have, and they are investing for their business. So if you're watching this video from YouTube and from others platform, you can mention your friend, you can follow me, you can express your feelings below the comment section. If you have any topic, so you can suggest me below the comment section in future, and it would be like the next topic. It will be next topic on your specific comment. So if you're watching this video from YouTube, from other platform, you can mention your friends. You can check out my another video from this YouTube tutorial. Link is here in my profile picture, profile Facebook bio has a picture. So has a link, so you can click, and then you can visit my another all of video. So every single day I try to make sure my potentiality, I try to make sure better and better. So that's why I will say, whatever you want to do, just keep it yourself and do work, and I hope you will become one day the rise and shiny. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.